Welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in United Consumer Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in United Consumer Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to sign in, you need your username and your password, so type in your username. Now type in your password. If you want to reset your password, you can click on this link. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on username reminder and recover it. And if you don't have an account yet and want to register your account, you can type in your account number and your last 4 digits of your social security number. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in United Consumer Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.